Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ghost blocks. These special blocks appear invisible or nearly invisible, letting players walk right through them. They are fantastic for creating hidden paths or surprising elements in your builds. We will cover the easy steps to implement them effectively. To begin, place any regular block where you want your ghost block to be. Once placed, access its properties. Look for a setting called Transparency. Adjust this value to 1, which will make the block completely invisible to the eye. This is the first crucial step in creating your ghost block. Next, you need to ensure players can pass through your invisible block. In the same Properties menu, find the Can Collide setting. This property controls whether other objects can physically interact with the block. Set Can Collide to False or simply uncheck the box. Now, players will be able to walk right through your newly created ghost block. With your ghost blocks ready, the possibilities are endless. You can craft secret pathways leading to hidden treasures or design clever traps to challenge other players. They are also perfect for adding unique aesthetic touches to your builds, like invisible platforms or decorative elements. Experiment and have fun with your new ghost block skills.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.